Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download Internet Download Manager or IDM on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download IDM on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for IDM. You're going to click onto this first link from internetdownloadmanager.com and then you're going to click onto this button, try IDM 30 days free trial. Just go ahead and download it up. And once you download it, go ahead and install it. And after you're done with the install, now you'll have IDM installed on your computer. And now when you go on to any YouTube video or any file, so as you can see, we have the download this video button here. You can just go ahead and download this video. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.